you're listening to this program, and if you are, you're listening, we appreciate that. We'd say that to you each and every program multiple times because there's many other things in which you could be doing with your time besides listening to our Garden Talk radio program. And because of you, that is why we are able to do this. If you go to our website, our parent website, the WisconsinVegetableGardener.com, at the top of the page, you don't have to look for it. It's right there. It's our 2021 anonymous survey. It's a 14-question, click-the-box survey, and it gives us information anonymously from you in order to present to the sponsors of this program. Each year, we re-up with the sponsors. We bring new ones on, and that is the data in which we are able to present to them where you're listening from, your demographic, different things about how you listen to the program. And if you'd like to do that, it's anonymous, and we'd certainly appreciate that. The WisconsinVegetableGardener.com, top of the page.